Hello everyone, welcome to Nagesh Kalusdi Orchid School. I am Pooja Rajamani. I am your computer teacher. We started our lesson number 6. In that we discussed about first tool. It is the pencil tool. What is the use of pencil tool? If you want to draw a freehand images, then pencil tool is useful. Next one is airbrush tool. If you want to draw a thick line, then that time we are using the airbrush tool or brush tool only. And next one is a airbrush tool. Airbrush tool is useful for give a different spray color. And next one is a text tool. If you want to write in a pen, that time text tool is useful. Now we will see our next tool. Next tool is eraser tool. What is the use of eraser? By mistakenly, if when we are drawing, when we are writing, if you do any mistake, then eraser is useful. Same like that. If you are drawing in paint, if you are writing in paint, and if you want to erase it, we don't want this, then that time eraser tool is useful. We will see what is the use of eraser tool. Function means use. The eraser tool is used to erase the part of the drawing or erase it completely. Means we can erase a single part or we can erase it completely. Note, first make sure something is drawing is in the paint program. Means suppose our page is blank, our file is newly open, and if you want to use the eraser tool, then it is useful? No. Why? Because our page is empty, then we cannot use the eraser. For using the eraser tool, we must have to write something first, and then we can use the eraser tool. Next, how to use the eraser tool. Step. First one step, select the eraser tool by left clicking on it. How to select the tools? By using the left click. Next one, bring the mouse pointer in the drawing area. Bring the mouse pointer in the drawing area. Why? Because whatever we are writing, it is written in a drawing area. Next one, the mouse pointer will change to this sign. When we are using the pencil tool, then mouse pointer will display the pencil. When we are using the brush tool, then mouse pointer display the brush. When we are using the airbrush, then mouse pointer display the airbrush tool. And when we are using the text, then the mouse pointer is become a eye. Now if the eraser tool is selected, then mouse pointer is changed to which sign? Eraser sign. And then click and drag the mouse over the part which is to be erased. Means which part we want to erase, click the mouse, take your mouse pointer there. And how we are drawing, how we can draw in paint? Firstly click the mouse and afterwards press the mouse left button and drag the mouse continuously. Same like that, if you want to erase, we must have to do the same procedure. Firstly select it, and whichever part we must have to erase it, take the mouse pointer there and then continuously press the mouse left button and erase it. We will do how to open the paint. Click on the start button, all program, accessories, and then paint. We will draw circle. And suppose we want to erase this circle. Okay, how to erase this? eraser tool is here. Take the eraser tool. How to take the mouse pointer there and press the mouse left button, and then you can see now it is eraser. Our mouse pointer become a eraser. When I am only moving the mouse, it is erasing? No. For erasing also we must have to press the mouse left button, and then we can erase it. You can see when I press the mouse left button, then only it is erasing. Without pressing the mouse left button, if I am only moving the mouse, then it is not erasing. Clear? How to erase? How to take it? Firstly, select the eraser tool by the left click. Afterwards, bring the mouse pointer in the drawing area. Third step is the mouse pointer will be changed to the eraser sign. And last step is click and drag the mouse over the part which to be erased. Next is a rectangle tool. Where is the rectangle tool? And what is the use of rectangle tool? Next one is a rectangle tool. The rectangle tool is used to draw box. Box means what? If you want to draw a rectangle of square shaped of the different size, if you want to draw a rectangle of square, that time rectangle tool is useful, and we can draw different size of rectangle or square. We will see how to draw. Select the which tool? Rectangle tool by left clicking on it. Which click? Left click. Bring the mouse pointer inside the position called the drawing area. Inside the portion means where we can draw. We are drawing in a drawing area. Then take the mouse pointer in the drawing area. The mouse pointer will change to the plus sign. Now mouse pointer will change in a plus sign. If we are using the eraser, the mouse pointer become a eraser size. Now if we selected the which tool we selected now? Rectangle tool. Now our mouse pointer is a plus sign. Then click means what? Not only clicking. Click means what? Press the mouse left button and continuously drag the mouse. Keep it pressing and drag the mouse pointer diagonally where one need to draw a rectangle. To release the mouse where you want to rectangle to close, means which size we want to draw a rectangle. Press the mouse left button and drag the mouse, and suppose we want this size only, then stop over there only. Next step is click left click, keeping it pressed, and make the rectangle of the required size. We will show how to draw rectangle. Where is the rectangle tool? Rectangle tool is here. How to select it? Take the mouse pointer there and press the mouse left button, and which is the drawing area? Drawing area is this white place. Then take the mouse pointer here. You can see the mouse pointer is become now plus sign, and we can draw. How to draw? Press the mouse left button continuously and drag the mouse. We can draw different. Now we want only this size of the rectangle, then leave it. We can draw, it is a square. Now we can draw rectangle, different size of the rectangle and square we can draw. What it is now? Good. Square. Now we will draw rectangle. What it is? Rectangle. We will draw square. Small size also we can draw, and big size also we can draw. Clear? How to draw rectangle? Firstly, select it. Select this tool. Then take the mouse pointer where we want to draw, where we are drawing, in the drawing area, and press the mouse left button and continuously drag the mouse, and pressing also continuously. If you not move the mouse, then also we cannot draw. If I am not moving the mouse, I can draw? No. Means these two steps are important. Which one? Pressing also at a time pressing also, and moving the mouse also is also important thing. We will save it. How to save it? Click on the pen button and then save. Then we will give the name rectangle. Now next is rounded rectangle tool. What is the use of rounded rectangle tool? What is the use of rounded rectangle tool? A rounded rectangle tool, like a rectangle tool. It is like a rectangle tool. The box means rectangle also we can draw and square also we can draw of the different size and type. Now what is the difference between rectangle tool and rounded rectangle tool? The difference between rounded rectangle tool is, rectangle tool is that only the rounded rectangle tool can draw the box with the rounded corner. Means by using the rounded rectangle tool we can draw the box, means we can draw the square or rectangle by, as we can draw square or rectangle as a rounded corner. How to draw? Firstly, select the rounded rectangle tool by the left clicking on it, and what is the important notice? It is, if you want to draw a square box, all four sides are equal, then hold the shift key while drawing on the screen. Means if you want to draw a square box, means square means what? Four sides are same. And rectangle means what? Two sides are same. How to draw this? Press the shift key and draw. We will draw here. We will take new file. Firstly, we will draw the rectangle tool. How to draw? Select it and draw the rectangle. Clear? Now rounded rectangle. Rounded rectangle means this. This is the rounded rectangle. Procedure of drawing this same only. Select it and take the mouse pointer here and draw. You can see difference between these two figures. This is also rectangle, this is also rectangle. But what is the difference? The corner is only curved. Corners are only rounded. Corners are only rounded. And here corners are not rounded. Only difference is that. How to draw the square and how to draw the rectangle. Procedure is same only, but only how it is looking is only different. Now next is oval tool. Oval, or also we can say ellipse. If it is round, then we can say oval. If it is not round, then we can say ellipse. What is the use of ellipse tool or oval tool? Function. Ellipse or oval tool is used to draw oval shape of circle. Circle means what? It is the round. It is called as a circle. And if it is not a round, then it is called as a oval shape. On the portion of the drawing area, where we can draw on the portion of the drawing area. Now we will see how to draw it. First step is open a paint window. Then click on the ellipse tool. Click on the ellipse tool. Then bring the mouse pointer on the drawing area. Then next one is the mouse pointer will be changed to plus sign. Next one is left click. Left click means what? Click the mouse left button continuously and drag the mouse. Left click on the drawing area and drag the mouse. Pointer diagonally where one need to draw a oval. To draw a perfect square, hold the shift key while drawing on the screen. If you want to draw a perfect square, if you want to draw a round, then how to draw? By using the shift key we can draw. We will see how to draw the oval. Oval tool is, this tool is oval tool. How to draw, how to select it? Take the mouse pointer there, then click here and press the mouse left button continuously and drag it. It is circle. Now it is circle? No, this one is oval. And if you want to draw a perfect square, then shift the mouse button, press the shift key on the keyboard, and you can see without pressing the shift key and with pressing the shift key, you can see the difference between these two circles. We will draw one more time. Press the shift key and then press and hold the mouse at a time, two step do. Without pressing the shift key. Clear? How to draw? Firstly select the which tool? Oval tool. Select the oval tool and take the mouse pointer where we want to draw, and then afterwards press the mouse left button and drag the mouse. And if you want to draw a perfect square, then what to draw? How to draw? Press the shift key on the keyboard, continuously press the shift key, and by one hand press the shift key and by another hand press the mouse left button and hold the mouse. Now we will save it. How to save? Paint button and save. We will give name oval and save it. Where we are saving this all file? In class 2nd. You can see here this file name become as a oval. Now we will see the use of line tool. What is the use of line tool? Line tool. What is the use of line tool? This tool is used for drawing straight line with the different thickness. Means we can draw different lines. different thickness of line. How to draw? Select the line tool by left clicking on it. Next one, the mouse pointer will become a plus sign to the drawing area. You can draw line in different color and thickness by clicking and dragging by the mouse. How to draw? We can draw different size also and different colors also line. And how to draw? Press the mouse left button and drag the mouse. Next one can hold a shift key while drawing to get a straight line. If you want to draw a straight line, then by using the shift key we can draw a straight line. If you want to take a perfect square, that time also we can use the shift key. And if you want to draw a perfect or straight line, that time also we can use the shift key. We will see here. Where is the line tool? This first one is a line tool. You can see how I am drawing, and the size of line is here. Without pressing the shift key, now I will select the next this and I will press the shift key. Then you can see, if I press only shift key, then the line will not become the line we cannot draw, but press the shift key and then continuously press the mouse left button and drag the mouse, then we can draw the line. Clear? How to draw the line? Select the line, then afterwards take the mouse pointer to the drawing area, and if you want to draw a straight line, then press the shift key, and without pressing the shift key also we can draw the lines. What we discussed in this period? Eraser tool. Next one is a rectangle tool, rounded rectangle tool, ellipse tool or oval tool, line tool. Now we will see the fill with color tool. Now we will see fill with color tool. What is the use of fill with color tool? Firstly, we will see this. What is the use of fill with color tool? Function means what? Uses of fill with color tool. What is the use of fill with color tool? Functions. Color tool help to fill the color in the enclosed shape. Means which shape is closed. If you want to give color inside that shape, then we can give the color. If the shape is not closed and then also we give the color, then this color will become as a full page. We will see it practically. Firstly we will see how to do. Select the fill with color tool by left clicking on it. Next one is bring the mouse pointer inside the drawing area. Next one, the mouse pointer will change to that side. When we press the rounded rectangle tool, then or ellipse tool, then our mouse pointer become a plus sign. Now we select the fill with color tool, then our mouse pointer is displayed as this color also. Box, this box, not a color, box. Select the two colors that you want to fill in the object. Then next step is left click on the object to be colored. The color one option will be filled, and right click on the object to be colored, the color to option will be filled. If when we press the left click, then color 1 option, which option we selected first, then when we press the left button, then this object become as a first color, and when we press the right color, then this as object take a second color. We will see here practically how to do. Instead of drawing, we will take our already exit file. How to take already exit file? Click on the pen button, then open. We will take this oval file and open. You can see this file. That time we was not given color. Now we will give color. How to give color? Select the fill with color option. Select it. You can see color 1, color 2. This one is a color 1. We will take red color. This one is color 2. We will take yellow color. And when we press the left button, then which color become red color? Why? This tool take a red color. Why? Because we press the left button. Now I press the which button? Right button. That's why this shape take a yellow color. Clear? Now we will change the color. We will change second color. This. Which button I press now? Good, left button. Why? Because it take a first color. Now it is right button. Which button I press now? Right button. Good. Here left button. Here also left button. And here right button. We can give as color to the background also. How to give? Select the color and give the color. We can give color to the background also. How to save it? This file is already saved. Then we will save as oval 1. Then save it. Now we will give color to the rectangle file. How to open this rectangle file? Click on the paint button, then open, then take a rectangle file and then open. And how to give color? Select the fill with color tool. Select the first one color. Select the second one color and give the colors. Which color, which I am using now? I am choosing the color. Which button I press now? Right button. Left button. We can give to the background color also. Clear? How to save it? Click on the paint button and then save as. Why save as? Because this file is already saved. Then we will save as. We will take a save as. Then rectangle 1. Till here, clear everyone? Remaining part we will see afterwards. What is the homework for you? Read the lesson and underline the hard words. Thank you.